Some journeys don't begin with privilege. They begin with discipline, sacrifice, and a dream bigger than oneself. This is the story of Tushar Shahi, a man who went from winning a fitness title to earning the Indian Air Force uniform, from Mr. Uttarakhand 2023 to flying officer in the Indian Air Force. Tushar Shahi hails from Dehradun, Uttarakhand, a city known for its deep military culture. Growing up, he was surrounded by values of discipline and service. His late father, Subedar Madan Singh Shahi, served the nation in the Garhwal Rifles. This wasn't just a family detail, it was a legacy. The uniform at home wasn't a symbol of power, it was a symbol of responsibility, sacrifice, and silent strength. Tushar completed his graduation from Sri Guru Ram Rai University, SGRR University. Alongside academics, he invested deeply in physical fitness, mental discipline, character building. For him, fitness wasn't about showing off. It was about self-control and consistency. These years quietly shaped the foundation of what was to come. In 2023, Tushar Shahi gained public recognition after winning the title of Mr. Uttarakhand. This wasn't just a modeling or fitness competition. It tested discipline, confidence, perseverance, and mindset. Winning this title proved one thing clearly: Tushar had the ability to commit fully to a goal and see it through. But instead of chasing fame, endorsements, or shortcuts, he made a different choice. While many stop after success, Tushar treated this achievement as preparation, not the destination. Behind the scenes, his focus shifted towards something far greater: the Indian Air Force. Preparing for the armed forces demands extreme physical endurance, mental resilience, emotional stability, and years of disciplined effort. There were no cameras during training, no applause during preparation, only consistency, rejection handling, and relentless effort. On 14 December 2024, at the Air Force Academy Dundigal, Hyderabad, during the combined graduation parade, Tushar Shahi was commissioned as a flying officer in the Indian Air Force. This moment marked the transformation from an aspirant to an officer. The uniform he wore that day wasn't fashion. It was earned through sweat, discipline, and sacrifice. This achievement carries deep emotional significance. Tushar often credits his parents for their unwavering support. More importantly, his journey stands as a tribute to his late father, Subedar Madan Singh Shahi. From Army Green to Air Force Blue, the legacy of service continued. This wasn't just a career choice, it was heritage in motion. Tushar Shahi's story breaks common myths. It proves that fitness is not vanity, it is discipline. Confidence is not noise, it is control. Success is not fame, it is service. His journey shows that self-improvement, when aligned with purpose, can change lives. In an age of instant fame and shortcuts, stories like this remind us of real achievement. Achievements that takes time, requires sacrifice, and demands character. Tushar Shahi represents a generation that chooses nation over noise. From being crowned Mr. Uttarakhand 2023 to standing tall as a flying officer in the Indian Air Force, Tushar Shahi's journey proves one simple truth: when discipline meets purpose, even the sky is not the limit. It becomes the workplace. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.